Okay.
What's that?
Yep. Now, can we get down through here?
No,
I don't think so.
you're not feeling this?
Well, the water's, it's just the water's moving so fast. No pedestrian access. Well, how the f do we get down there then?
I don't know.
Maybe you can't. I guess we could try the power.
Yeah.
I mean, the water's moving so fast, but who knows? All right, let's give it a shot.
Welcome back to TRG Fishing, and we are back for more shore fishing today at Kingston Mills Locks. Today we're actually going to try and catch the fish instead of just testing our equipment. Stick with us.
Here we go. I don't know if you can see that. See, there's a little line out of place here, and it's really affecting the retrieval. It actually stops retrieving. It's getting jammed in there. Is that out now? A little bit more. Okay. Okay, this is definitely not supposed to work like this. Look at this thing. I can just barely pinch this and it won't retrieve. Is the spool tension knob not? That is really tight. It should be retrieving. I think there's an issue with this reel right now. I mean, I'm not supposed to be able to pull it. Okay, here we go. User error. This place sucks. It's not a good spot. There's a spot right over here I see where the water seems to get a little stiller at one spot. So I'm going to see if I can cast over there, see what we got. How many have you caught?
0.
You haven't caught one yet?
Huh?
It's perched like crazy in here. You want to try up there again?
Yeah, I think this is a waste of time. Well, again, we're going to be casting into the wind, which is pretty strong today and steady. Not gusty, it's just steady. However, we'll give it a shot.
Backlash. Right away.
Oh no! Just about put her into the tree again.
What's that?
Just about put her into the tree again.
You trying to throw it near that cover to see if
Yeah.
there's something over there?
Oh That's gone.
Where is it? In the tree?
Yeah, that's my leader. That's everything.
Is it almost beer time?
Okay, so this was a disaster.
Yeah, in this particular episode, we came, we saw it was a tough one. We both lost lures, tons of backlashes, problems with the equipment, problems finding stuff. I mean, it started, as you can see, this is a great spot, but it is super windy and cold, so we had a hard time casting out here. We decided to go to the lower area of the locks, and everywhere is just kind of blocked off. It says no trespassing. You can't really get to too many good spots, and where we did get to, they weren't really good, so it was a tough one today.
Yeah, that was the other thing, is that normally the areas that you can fish around here were all blocked off because they're doing construction. So yeah, the fishing gods were against us today. So we're packing it in. But we're gonna keep trying next week, probably more shore fishing at a better location. See you soon.